Hi everyone, I've had a few requests and a few emails about how do we properly get the link and share the link so that I have access to it. And I would love to at least have commenting access to the links. I've seen a few with just view access, but I'd like to at least put comments in there. You can give me full access to it if you wish, but at least commenting. I'm on our course webpage, and I'm going to get the RILE assignment. Remember, you just have to do this once, and once you have it, you just keep adding to it every week. And you send me the link just once, and that's done. So I'm going to make a copy of this. I should probably change the name up here. So Harry's RILE assignment. I'm going to click on share. And I think some of you have typed in my address, then I get a copy of my email. But I'm not sure if I'm getting a copy of that on the spreadsheet. So I'll go through how to do it on the spreadsheet. We're going to get the shareable link so we can share it with others. It defaults to anyone at Redeemer with a link can view it. But again, I want to at least comment. You can give me full access to edit or at least comment rights. So I'm going to click on comment and I'm going to copy the link. And then when that's done, I can go to whatever night you're in. And then this is a spot. I've already put my name down here. I just go to the spot where I need to and I can control V and that link is there. So now if I were to double check on it, it would access and it would open up my document. So that's how you would do that. So if you need to check that again, just rewind that video or play it again. I'm hoping that clears up that little bit of confusion and look forward to reading some of these. See ya.